Are you ready to supercharge your retirement savings and set yourself up for a secure financial future? In 2026, growing your retirement fund doesn't have to be a complicated or stressful process. With the right tools and strategies, you can easily automate your contributions, minimize taxes, and ensure that your savings are working as hard as possible for you. Whether you're just starting to save for retirement or looking for ways to accelerate your current plan, these 5 simple steps will help you grow your retirement fund effectively without sacrificing your current lifestyle. Let's dive into the best strategies to grow your retirement fund in 2026. 1. Enable algorithm-adjusted contributions. One of the easiest ways to grow your retirement fund in 2026 is to stop setting a static percentage for contributions. Instead of manually deciding how much to contribute each month, you can use a banking app that adjusts your contributions based on your daily spending volatility. These apps analyze your spending habits and automatically calculate how much extra you can afford to put into your retirement account without impacting your lifestyle. For example, if you have a particularly low expense week, perhaps you didn't travel, eat out, or make any large purchases, the app will automatically sweep the surplus funds into your retirement account. This approach allows your savings to grow during your good financial weeks without needing to stick to a rigid, static budget. It turns your extra savings into permanent growth for your retirement fund. Rather than forcing you to make manual adjustments or feel the pressure of hitting a fixed contribution target, the system ensures that every spare dollar goes toward your future without additional effort on your part. The beauty of this method is that it automates contributions based on your real-time finances, ensuring you're always saving more during times of financial stability without having to think about it. The app works in the background, seamlessly adjusting your retirement savings to match your actual spending patterns. This ensures that your savings are aligned with your current financial situation without causing you to feel deprived. It also gives you the freedom to focus on other areas of your finances, knowing that your retirement savings are growing steadily. You'll be able to steadily increase your retirement savings without worrying about missing a contribution. The system doesn't rely on your memory or discipline to transfer money into your retirement fund. Over time, these small automated sweeps can add up to significant growth, making it an easy, low-maintenance way to ensure your retirement fund continues to expand. By the time you reach retirement, this consistent, hassle-free growth can significantly boost your overall savings, allowing you to retire with confidence. 2. The tax alpha harvest. Building wealth is not just about earning returns, it's also about minimizing what the government takes from your investments. In 2026, you can use an automated tax loss harvesting tool to help reduce your tax liability and increase your returns. This tool scans your portfolio daily to find losing assets, investments that have declined in value, and automatically sells them to offset your gains. The proceeds are immediately reinvested into similar assets, ensuring your portfolio stays diversified and your tax burden is minimized. This hidden efficiency can add an extra 0.5% to 1% in annual returns, which can have a significant impact over decades. By reducing the amount you owe in taxes each year, more of your investment gains are allowed to compound, growing your retirement fund even faster. While tax loss harvesting is often used by larger investors, this tool is now available to individuals, making it an accessible strategy for anyone looking to optimize their retirement savings. The key to making this work for your retirement fund is ensuring that you're reinvesting your gains in assets that align with your long-term goals. Rather than selling assets and sitting on cash, you should be constantly reinvesting in similar growth opportunities that will continue to build your portfolio and grow your wealth. Tax loss harvesting works best when it's used strategically, ensuring that you minimize taxes while still taking full advantage of the power of compound interest. By strategically applying tax loss harvesting, you're essentially supercharging your retirement fund by keeping more of your earnings within the portfolio. This technique enables your savings to grow at an accelerated rate, and over time, the compounding effect will create a far more substantial retirement fund than if you were simply focusing on market returns alone. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, tax loss harvesting is a powerful tool to maximize your wealth-building potential. 3. Move to Target Date 2.0. Dynamic risk. Traditional target date funds have been a staple in retirement planning for decades, but in 2026, it's time to move to a more dynamic approach, Target Date 2.0. Unlike traditional funds that rigidly adjust your risk based on age, Target Date 2.0 uses AI to dynamically adjust your portfolio's risk based on real-time market conditions. This means that if the market is overvalued or facing volatility, the AI will shift your assets into more defensive positions, such as high-yield bonds or other safe investments. Conversely, when the market experiences a downturn or correction, the AI will shift back to growth-focused assets to capitalize on lower valuations. By using AI-managed LifePath portfolios, you reduce the risk of your retirement fund being exposed to major losses during market downturns. This helps mitigate sequence of returns risk, the possibility that you could experience significant losses early in retirement that impact the rest of your savings. With Target Date 2.0, your retirement portfolio is actively managed to minimize risk and maximize growth, even in uncertain markets. This dynamic risk adjustment ensures that your retirement fund is always aligned with market conditions, keeping your principal protected during downturns while allowing for higher returns when conditions are favorable. This strategy not only offers peace of mind, but also boosts the likelihood of reaching your retirement goals without having to take on unnecessary risk. 4. Direct deposit your subscription savings. In 2026, many people are drowning in subscriptions, from streaming services to fitness apps and software tools. Instead of letting that money quietly disappear back into your checking account, use it to build your retirement fund. Every time you cancel a zombie subscription or negotiate a better deal on your internet or insurance, don't just let that savings go unnoticed. Redirect it directly into your retirement fund. For example, if you save $45 a month by canceling a streaming service you rarely use or renegotiating your insurance premium, set up an automatic transfer to your retirement account with that exact amount. By doing this consistently, you can turn small savings into long-term growth for your future. You've already proven that you can live without that money, so why not make it work for your future self? This approach makes it easy to grow your retirement savings without feeling like you're making huge sacrifices. By reallocating funds from areas where you've already made cost-saving adjustments, you can steadily boost your retirement contributions. Over time, this can add up to significant growth without the need for drastic changes to your current budget or lifestyle. 5. Secure fractional alternative assets. When it comes to retirement savings, many people stick solely to stocks and bonds. While these are important parts of a diversified portfolio, it's essential to think outside the traditional investment box. In 2026, you can now invest in fractional ownership of alternative assets like green energy infrastructure, farmland, and other inflation-resistant assets. These alternative investments often have low correlations with the stock market, meaning they provide diversification and stability during periods of market volatility. Platforms that allow fractional ownership let you invest small amounts of money into high-value assets, such as renewable energy projects or agricultural land, without having to invest large sums of money up front. This can be a great way to build a diversified portfolio that includes assets with a potential for steady returns while also hedging against inflation. By incorporating these alternative assets into your retirement portfolio, you're not only creating a more balanced investment strategy, but you're also tapping into industries that are likely to grow in the coming years. Green energy and sustainable farming, for example, are areas of increasing interest and potential for growth. Investing in these sectors now can provide a steady income stream in retirement, helping to diversify and future-proof your retirement fund. There you have it, the top 5 simple steps to grow your retirement fund in 2026. From algorithm-adjusted contributions to securing fractional alternative assets, these strategies will help you maximize your retirement savings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on building a secure financial future. Let me know in the comments which step you'll take to grow your retirement fund. I'll see you in the next video.